warmly welcome to my channel. Let's learn Twi with Opoku. In this edition, we're going to discuss how the Twi pronouns behave in the subject position as well as in the object position, and also behave as possessive pronouns. In my previous lesson, I informed you that sometimes, or most often than not, the Twi pronouns are written together with the Twi verbs. So this lesson, in fact, is about Twi grammar, and it's going to be the basics of Twi grammar. So stay tuned. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to list all the Twi pronouns, beginning with the singular pronouns, followed by the plural pronouns. And then we will look at how they behave as subjects, possessive pronouns, and objects in that order. So let's begin with the singular pronouns, beginning with the first person pronoun, me, and that is me. So we have me, wo, ono, and eno. These are the singular pronouns. And with the plural pronouns, we have yen, that is we, mo, and that is you, won, that is they, and enonom, that is it in plural form. Good. Let's take me, and that is me, and let's look at how it will behave as a subject. But somebody may ask, what then is a subject and what is the object that you are talking about? Well, let me give you this short example by saying this statement. John pushed Philip. John pushed Philip. We know that John, in this case, is the subject because he is the one doing the action of what? Pushing. And who is receiving the action? Who is being pushed? Philip. So we can say that John is the subject, Philip is the object. Good. Let's reframe this statement. Reframing it, we can say he pushed him. The he obviously is a pronoun for John, and then him is also a pronoun for Philip. However, if Philip were to be the one doing the pushing, we could have used he. But in this case, because of where he is, we use him because he is acting as what? The object of the statement. So we cannot say he pushed he, but rather he pushed him. So he in the object position becomes him. So in Twi, we have a similar thing. For example, saying this same thing in Twi, we can say o, that is ono, piano, ono, piano, and we will say o piano, o piano. So you see that ono in a subject position now loses the no, and we get only the o, and then pushed, that is pian, then we get o pian. He pushed who? We say no. Remember, the no also is ono, another ono, but because it is in the object position, it changes from ono and then it becomes no. That means it loses the o and then it maintains the no. So we get no. So o piano. That means ono in the object position becomes no and not what? Ono. This is what we are going to learn about all the pronouns. So let's start with me as a subject, and let us match it with a verb in a simple present tense, and then match it with me, and we'll take a verb like, say, to dance, sa, to dance. So sa. So in English, I can say, I dance. I dance every day. This is in a simple present tense. I dance. In Twi, me and then sa, we will get mesa. That means mesa. And we write me and sa together. And this happens to all the other pronouns. If they are acting as a subject, we write the pronoun together with the verb. There might be some changes, but the rule is that in a subject position, we write the pronoun together with the verb. So, mesa, mesa. Good. Let's take wo, wo. Wo as a subject, we will write it together with the verb sa. So it will become wosa, wosa, wosa. You dance. And then let's take he or she. Ono, ono. He dances. He dances. Or she dances. Will become o, sa, o, sa. What happens is that it loses the no, or no loses the no, and then only the o is remain. So we get osa, osa, osa. And the same thing also happens to eno. Eno then becomes esa, esa. That means the no in eno is eliminated, and then it becomes esa, esa. That is in the subject position. We have finished with the singular pronouns. Let's take the plural pronouns, beginning with the first person plural pronoun. Yen, yen, yen. Yen as a subject with the verb sa, dance, to dance. We will get yesa, yesa, yesa. That means the n in yen is eliminated. So we get yesa, yesa, not yen sa, but rather yesa, yesa. And then mo, 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 that is you. Mo maintains its structure. It doesn't change. So it will be mosa, mosa, mosa. However, they are written together. The mo and the verb sa, they are all written together. So from mo, we go to won, won, that is day, day. One sa, one sa becomes wasa, wasa, wasa. They dance, wasa. And then we take enonom. Enonom will behave just as the singular pronoun eno, and it will become esa, esa, not enonom sa, but esa, esa. Good. So this is how the pronouns behave as subject. Subject. This is where we draw the curtains down as far as this part of the lesson is concerned. Please check the part 2 and 3 of this same topic, that is tree grammar, to study how the pronouns behave as objects and also as possessive pronouns. Thank you.